resist. I had to buy the pink ink with the gold shimmer in it because it was cute and because the brand has a Ferris wheel and I love circuses and it's so pretty and the Instagram ads got me, okay? What? Why is it black? The product photo was a light pink. The swatch was a light pink. What's going on here? Well, I can see that the gold bits are on the bottom, so you probably need to shake it up. I guess the only thing I can do now is to swatch it and see if it matches the color swatches from the website. Let's give that a shot. Well, even if the ink isn't as aesthetic as I wanted it to be, you bet your bum that my table's gonna be. This lovely sketchbook is a gift from my sister. It's a reproduction of Andrew Lang's The Violet Fairy book. As you can see, I've yet to use it, and I will continue to not use it because I hesitated and I ended up using scrap paper instead for the swatching. Okay, don't judge me. Don't look at me like that. Sometimes it's hard to start a new sketchbook because it's pretty and you don't want to mess it up. And anyway, let's not talk about the sketchbook. We're here to swatch this ink. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Let's see. I spent $25 on you. Was it just filters or are you beautiful? Well, okay, brown. She's giving brown. She is black in the bottle. So maybe my expectations were too high. But let's see. Maybe it dries lighter. Maybe it's more of like a dusted rose kind of color. Her name is Lady in Rose, and it was limited edition. And this the box was pink. The box was pink, fellas, and she's brown. Okay, so what we're not gonna do is we're not gonna knock my penmanship because I can draw, I can do art. My penmanship, not the prettiest. Hey, do I like ink? Hey, do I like fancy writing utensils? Heck yeah, I do. I'm a romantic woman and a beautiful soul, so of course I like all those goodies. Am I good at it? Not yet, bestie, but I will be, maybe, one day, if I practice. And buy prettier ink than this? What the heck's going on? As I mentioned previously, I came across Ferris Wheel Press, the company's website, actually through Instagram ads. I kept getting an ad for the limited edition Lady in Rose, and, well, I like I said, I couldn't resist. So I got it, and, well, it's not exactly what I was expecting. I really thought it was going to be like that beautiful clear color, but I suppose if it was that clear, it wouldn't show up super pigmented on the page the way that it was shown in the advertisement pictures. And I mean, we've all had hamburgers that don't look like the picture, so I guess I shouldn't be complaining. It is really nice ink, and it does have a lovely shimmer when it dries. And yes, as I expected, it had some time to dry, and the color did lighten a bit. And when you spread out the ink a little bit more, like I did with my brush, it does have a lighter look to it. It's more of like a tea rose or like a dusted color, not so much as like a very pastel, like cheruby pink. It's more delicate, a little more antique. Now, Ferris Wheel Press inks are water-based, so they do have a bit of like a translucency to them. They're not like a lacquer or like an oil-based or not something that would be a little more pigmented. So I guess a color like this is easier to be a little more delicate and lighter than like a deeper blue would be. All in all, it wasn't a color I was expecting. It is still very lovely, and I'm glad that I have a really nice high-quality ink in my collection. Well, hey, thanks for watching me inspect an impulse purchase that I made. If you want to support me, then I have a lot of other videos you can watch. Maybe leave a comment or two. Who knows? And hey, I have Patreon, like everyone. Here's some of my lovely patrons right now. They mean the world to me, and they help me pay my phone bill, amongst other things. So, thanks a lot. Have a great day!